Hi everyone, thanks for watching this week's video. Okay, so this week I'm making a spicy pumpkin soup and I'm going to do it with a little coriander and chili pesto. This is a great soup for this time of year, especially with Christmas coming up. It's also very nice and simple to make and also very cheap. So we'll get straight into this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to cut our pumpkin in half. Okay, then we're just going to scrape out the seeds into a bowl. Okay, so now we're just going to take our pumpkin and we're just going to score the flesh in the inside carefully. Then we're just going to season it with some salt and pepper on the inside. I'm going to drizzle with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And just a little bit of honey as well. Okay, so now we're just going to roast this in a hot oven for around 30 minutes. So now we're just going to peel and slice 2 onions. I've also got 5 cloves of garlic here which I'm going to chop up. Again, it doesn't have to be too fine. And I've also got 2 bird-eye chilies here. Now these are very hot, so I'm only using 2 for this. I don't want to overpower the soup. Okay, so our pumpkins have been in the oven for a good half hour, so we're just going to let these cool down for a little bit before we go on to the next stage. Okay, so now we're just going to sweat down our onions, garlic and chilli. So in a pan, just add a good amount of butter to the pan. Get that down. I'm just going to add a good pinch of salt to this as well. Okay, so our onions and our garlic and our chilli have all been cooking down gently for about 8 minutes now. So we're just going to turn this off for now. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're just going to take our pumpkin and just kind of scrape it into the centre. Okay, so now we're just going to put our soup back on the heat. Then we're just going to take our pumpkin and scrape that into the pot. Give this a good mix up. Okay, now I'm just going to add some chicken stock to this. You can use vegetable stock if you prefer, but today I'm using chicken stock. Okay, so once the pumpkin is completely submerged in the stock, we're just going to let this come to a boil. Then we're going to turn it down and let it cook out for a good 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, so now we're just going to make our pesto. So I've got some fresh coriander here, so we'll go straight in with that. Then we'll add a little bit of salt, some pepper. I've got 1 clove of garlic here, just kind of roughly chopped, and half a bird eye chilli. That's more than enough for this. Yeah, I'm going to go in with extra virgin olive oil. So we'll blend this up first. Okay, so once that's mixed up, we'll go in with some toasted pine nuts here. And I've got some freshly grated parmesan. Okay, and that's our pesto. So we can put that to the side. Okay, so our soup's been cooking out for about another 10-15 minutes here. So I'm just going to turn this off. And I'm just going to go in with some double cream. Then we're just going to blend this up now. Okay, so I'm just going to use a little hand blender for this. You can use a food processor if you prefer, but today I'm using a hand blender. Okay, so now we're ready just to plate up. And I'm just going to finish this off with some of the pesto, some of the coriander pesto. A little bit more cream, double cream. And I've just got a few toasted pine nuts. And that's you done. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give this recipe a go and let me know what you think in the comments section. Also, if you are enjoying my videos, please just give me the thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot. I look forward to seeing you all again soon.